Next topic, southwest monsoon wind. Next topic, the southwest monsoon wind. The southwest monsoon wind that occurred in June to September. So the 80% of the monsoons, the 80% of the India areas covered by the southwest monsoon. Remaining the 20% is not covered. But Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, like that. So only India depend upon the southwest monsoons that covered in the 80%. Now, what is meant by the El Nino? El Nino. The southwest monsoons is the most important species of the Indian climate. The southwest monsoons is the most important of the Indian climate because the onset of the southwest monsoon take place of the normally on the southern tip. The southern tip may be Kanyakumari, like that. The southern tip of the countries by the week of the June. So southwest monsoon beginning in June, ending the September. June, the advance along the Konkan coast in the early June. Konkan coast, the Malabar coast. The west coastal that can be divided into major two parts. One is the Konkan coast. Konkan coast starting from Gujarat to South Gujarat to Goa. So the Konkan coast in the country June and they cover the whole countries. By the 15th July, the monsoon is influenced global phenomena like a El Nino. That is called a El Nino. So the monsoon, southwest monsoon is the most significant features of the Indian climate. The onset of the southwest monsoon take place of the normally over the southern tip of the countries. In the week of the June, the advance along the Konkan coast, the July 15th, the entire country is whole occupied the monsoons. This influence is called a global phenomena like El Nino. Global phenomena like El Nino. So next one is for the prior of the onset of the southwest monsoons. The prior to the onset of the southwest monsoon, the temperatures found in the North India 46 degrees Celsius. So North India the found in the temperatures in southwest monsoon times 40 degrees Celsius. The sudden approach of the monsoon's wind over the South Indian with the lightning and the thunder is termed. So the beginning of the southwest monsoon, the southern side, the Kerala and the Karnataka side, Karnataka part, the found in the lightning and the thunderstorms. The thunder is termed as the break or the brush of monsoon. The brush of monsoons. This monsoon wind strike the against the southern tip. The Indian land masses get into divided into two parts. One is the Arabian Sea. Another one is the Arabian Sea branches. Another one is the Bay of Bengal branches. So mainly for this, the 40 degrees Celsius, the sudden approach of the monsoon wind over the South India with the lightning thunder, the lightning and thunder is termed as the break or the brush of monsoons. This monsoon wind strike against the Indian land masses, strike the stop the against the Indian land masses the southern tip of Indian land masses and get divided into two branches. One is the Arabian Sea branches, another one is from Bay of Bengal branches. So Arabian Sea branches, southwest monsoons originated in the Indian Ocean and the earth rotated, the directions is changed. Again the south to and found in the Arabian Sea is here south to west is the three main. One is the Western Ghats strike பண்ணுது, another one is Arabian Sea parallel இருக்கு, the another one is the Kashikaro Chandiyas also found. These are is very important for this the southwest monsoon wind.